So let us start the session. Today we are going to do multiple choice questions from chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. Part 1, that means we are going to complete 20 questions. So let us start with the first question. Graphically, the pair of equations 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equals to 0 and 2x minus y plus 9 is equals to 0 represents two lines which are. So how we will check? We will check with the help of comparing the ratio of the coefficients. Okay. So first we will find a1, b1, c1 from first equation and a2, b2, c2 from second equation. So what is the value of a1 here?
6
6. b1
minus 3
very good. c1
plus
10. Okay. a2,
2
b2,
minus 1
c2.
9.
Right. So comparing the coefficients, we got A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2. Now we will find A1 upon A2 first. So what is A1 by A2 here?
2 plus 3.
6 by
6
2.
upon 2.
Right. 6 upon 2 means 3 by 1. Okay. Now B1 by B2?
3
Minus 3
Minus 3
by
by
minus
minus
3
1.
minus 1.
Right. So it is also 3 by 1. Now we will find the last one, C1. C1 is 10 by 9. Right. So that means A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 but not equal to C1 upon C2. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D. Right. The lines are parallel and so there will be no solution. So the correct option is D. Right. Oh, यहाँ पे सही है. Okay, now we are moving toward the next question, question number 2. The pair of equations x plus 2y plus 5 is equals to 0 and minus 3x minus 6y plus 1 is equals to 0 have. So again we have to compare the ratios, right? So फिर से a1, b1, c1 find करेंगे. The value of a1 is 1, a2, b1,
2
c1,
5
a2,
minus 3
b2
minus 6
and the c2 is
1.
1. Right. So we got these values. Now we are going to find a1 by a2. So what is a1 by a2 here?
1 by
minus
minus
1
Yes,
minus 3.
1 upon minus 3. Right. And what is b1 by b2?
2 upon minus 6.
Right. 2 upon minus 6. That is 1 upon minus 3. So ये दोनों equal आ गया. Now the last ratio is 5 by 1. That is c1 by c2. Again the same condition we are getting a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 but not equals to c1 upon c2. So lines are parallel and there will be no solution. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D. Right. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 3. If a pair of linear equations is consistent, then the lines will be consistent means at least उसका one solution होना चाहिए, right? At least one solution. So that means unique solution or infinitely many solutions. So unique solution means intersecting lines and infinitely many solutions means coincident. Okay. So consistent equations means the equation must have solution which is obtained by either of the condition. First, lines coincide with infinitely many solutions and lines intersect with unique solution. So which option is the correct one?
Option
Option
C.
C.
Option C, right. So now we'll move towards question number 4. The pair of equations x is equals to a and y is equals to b graphically represents line which are first parallel intersecting at BA, coincident and intersecting at AB. So it is very clear that the line x is equals to A is parallel to y axis and y is equals to B parallel to x axis. Okay, so both will be intersecting क्योंकि एक x y axis के parallel और एक x axis के parallel है. Okay, so both will be intersecting at a point having x coordinate as A and y coordinate as B. So which is the correct answer?
Option D.
Option D, right. Very good. Now we are moving toward question number 5. The pair of equations y is equals to 0 and y is equals to 7 has, now we have to check. Okay, so the equations are y is equals to 0. Y is equals to 0 means it is x axis. Okay, and y is equals to minus 7. Y is equals to minus 7 is a line parallel to x-axis passing through minus 7. Okay, so y is equals to minus 7 is line parallel to x-axis. So this is the graph. So both lines are parallel. So what will be the number of solutions?
No
No
solution.
solution.
Right. So correct option is
Option
Option D.
option D. Right. Okay. Now we are moving toward question number 6. For what value of k do the equations 3x minus y plus 8 equals to 0 and 6x minus ky is equals to minus 16? Okay. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे? What we will do? We will shift minus 16 to this side. It will become plus 16 because it should be written in the form of standard form, that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So comparing with the general equation, what we are going to get? A1 b1 c1. A1
3
b1
minus
Minus
1
1.
c1
Plus
8
8.
plus 8. A2
Plus 6.
6
b2
minus
Minus
1
8.
c2
Plus 16.
plus 16. Very good. So now in the question it is given that the lines are coincident, and we know that for coincident the condition is a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. So first we will find, we can write directly the condition then substitute, or you can find a1 upon a2 first, that is 3 upon 6 1 by 2, and b1 upon b2 that is minus 1 upon k, that is 1 upon k, and the last one is c1 upon c2, that is 8 upon 16, that is also 1 upon 2. Now we will write the condition. Now substitute all the values, 1 by 2, 1 by k, 1 by 2. Okay, so what is the value of k?
Plus 2.
Right, so which option is the correct one?
option C.
Option C. Very good. Okay, now we are moving toward question number 17. If the lines given by 3x plus 2ky is equals to 2 and 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equals to 0 are parallel, then the value of k is. Now, what is the condition for parallel? The comparing the ratios.
A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2.
Very good. A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is not equals to C1 upon C2. So again we will compare with the general equation and we'll find the value of A1 B1 C1 and A2 B2 C2. Right? So what is the value of A1?
Plus
Plus
3.
3
Plus 3. B1
plus
2K.
2K
plus 2k. C1
minus 2
yes, you have to, we have to shift 2 to this side, and B2 A2
plus
Plus
2
plus 2, B2
plus
Plus 5.
5
C2.
plus
Plus 1.
1.
Very good. So we got this one. Now we will find A1 upon A2. So 3 upon 2 and B1 upon B2, that is 2k upon 5, and C1 upon C2 we will get minus 2 upon 1. Now we'll write the condition for parallel, that we have A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is not equals to C1 upon C2. Now we will take only these two, right? So 3 by 2 is equals to 2k upon 5. Okay, now cross multiplication, we'll get 2k is equals to 15, 4k is equals to 15. So k is equals to,
15 upon 4.
right, 15 upon 4. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. So now we are moving toward question number 8. The value of C for which the pair of equations cx minus y is equals to 2 and 6x minus 2y is equals to 3 will have no solutions. No solutions, again parallel line. So same condition hai, that is a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2. Right. So we'll find first a1, b1, c1. So what is a1?
C.
C. B1
Minus 1
C1
minus 2
minus 2. A2
6
6.
B2
minus 2
C2.
minus 3.
Very good. So now we will find A1 upon A2, that is C upon 6, and B1 upon B2, that is minus 1 upon minus 2, 1 by 2, and last C1 upon C2, that is minus 2 upon minus 3. That will be 2 by 3. Now we'll write the condition for no solution, that is a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. Right. Again we are going to take this two part only. Okay. So the 6 c by 6 is equals to 1 by 2. So what is the value of c?
3.
3.
3.
Right.
Minus 3.
Not minus. 3 only. Okay. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A. Right. Now we are moving toward question number 9. One equation of a pair of dependent linear equation. Dependent linear equation हम लोग coincident को बोलते हैं, right? So that means a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. One equation is given minus 5x plus 7y is equals to 2. The second equation can be, right? तो इसको मैं दो मेथड से बताऊंगा. एक तो हम अभी जो मेथड है जो मैं एक्सप्लेन करने के बाद समझाऊंगा. So what is a1 here?
minus 5.
b1
7.
Plus 7.
and c1
Minus 2.
minus 2, right? So we will find first a1 b1 c1. Now we know that dependent linear equation, for dependent linear equation we have a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. Now substitute the value of a1 b1 c1 here, right? Okay, and let the second equation be a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Now k is any we are going to take equals to k is any arbitrary constant. Okay, k is any arbitrary constant. Now we are going to take k is equals to minus 1 by 2, right? अगर 1 by 2 लेंगे तो भी उसका भी मैं बताऊंगा. I am going to take minus 1 by 2. So if you take minus 1 by 2 k, so what value we are going to get? See, a2 we are going to get 10 plus 10, and b2 we are going to get minus 14, and c2 we are going to get plus 4, right? That means this equation will become 10x plus minus 14y plus 4 is equals to 0, और ये ऑप्शन में है. Okay, so this is one way. Second, if I will take 1 by 2, क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि आपने माइनस 1 by 2 क्यों लिया, वाई यू कांट टेक 1 by 2. चलो माइनस 1 by 2 ले लेते हैं. सो अगर 1 by 2 ले रहे हैं तो a2 माइनस 10 आ गया, b2 प्लस 14 और c2 minus 4. Any option you have here with minus 10 plus 14 minus 4, we don't have, right? Clear?
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
according to this, which option is correct?
Option D.
Option D, right? अभी मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ उसको ध्यान से देखो, क्योंकि ये MCQ है, so steps are not required. So just you multiply with 2 and minus 2. Okay, एक बार 2 मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो क्या आएगा? माइनस 10x प्लस 14y. देखो माइनस 10x प्लस 14y, बट माइनस 4 आ रहा है. So that means this is not possible. Okay, clear? These two are not possible. If you multiply with 2, these two are not possible. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So हम लोग एलिमिनेट कर रहे हैं. अब मैं माइनस 2 से इंटू कर रहा हूँ तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा, प्लस 10x माइनस 14x, राइट? तो ये एलिमिनेट हो गया क्योंकि 10x के बाद प्लस 14y आ रहा है. 10x minus 14y and plus 4 we are getting, or minus 4. So this is the correct answer. So ये मेथड यूज करोगे इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में, और सॉल्व पूरा नहीं करना बिकॉज स्टेप्स आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. मैं तो एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ इसलिए मैं स्टेप्स के साथ समझा रहा हूँ. सो दिस इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. एनी डाउट?
No, sir. सर
हाँ,
सर अगर ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन दूसरा आ सकता है तो हमें हर के क्वेश्चन में इंटू 2 और इंटू माइनस 2 करना होगा.
एक मिनट, लेट मी क्लियर. अगर मान लो फर्स्ट लेटर में 15 है, 15x सभी में, ओके, राइट? सो आई विल चेक विथ इंटू 3 माइनस इंटू 3 इंटू माइनस 3. सो क्योंकि यहाँ पे 10x है सब में, इसलिए मैं प्लस माइनस 2 के साथ इंटू कर रहा हूँ.
ओके सर.
अगर वही 15x रहता तो मैं 3 से इंटू करता, 3 और माइनस 3. ओके, सारे ऑप्शंस में अगर 15x रहता तो हम लोग वैसे इंटू करते हैं. सो वो एलिमिनेशन मेथड जो मैं समझा रहा था एक्चुअल में. एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 10. If x is equals to a, y is equals to b is the solution of the equations x minus y is equals to 2 and x plus y is equals to 4, then the values of a and b are respectively. That means we need to solve these two equations. Okay? ये दोनों इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. So ऐड कर लेते हैं हम लोग. अगर ऐड कर रहे हैं तो क्या मिलेगा? 2x is equals to 6. So what is the value of x?
Plus 3.
Plus 3, right? So now if you substitute 3 in equation number 2, so what you will get? 3 plus y is equals to 4. So what is the value of y?
Plus 1.
Plus 1. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C. Very good. Right. So 10th question ho gaya. Now we are moving toward question number 11. Find the value of k for which the system of equations 3x plus y is equals to 1 and kx plus 2y is equals to 5 has a unique solution. So again, for unique solution, what is the condition?
A1 by A2 is
A1
not
upon
equal to
A2 is
B1 by
equal to B,
Is not equals to. Very good. A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2. So first we will write the equations in general form. तो ये हो जाएगा 3x plus y minus 1 is equals to 0 and this will become kx plus 2y minus 5 is equals to 0. Right. So this is first equation, this is second equation. Now we'll write a1, b1, c1. a1 is 3, b1 is 1 and c1 is minus 1. a2 is k, b2 is 2 and c2 is minus 5. Right. So now what is the condition? a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. मैंने कहा था कि पहले रेशियो निकालो फिर सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. दैट इज वन वे. और यू राइट द कंडीशन देन सब्स्टिट्यूट. सो दैट वुड बी बेटर फॉर एमसीक्यू. सो यहाँ पे a1 upon a2. What is a1 upon a2?
3 by K.
3 by k. Right. b1 upon b2?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Very good. So 3 by k is not equals to 1 by 2. So what is the answer?
K is not equal to
K
6.
is not equals to 6.
Very good. K is not equals to 6. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 12. The solution of 23x plus 29y is equals to 98. 29x plus 23y is equals to 110 is. रेगुलर क्लास में भी मैंने बताया था कि अगर ये कोएफिशिएंट एक्सचेंज है विथ लार्ज नंबर्स, राइट, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? एक बार ऐड करेंगे और एक बार सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे टू गेट द स्मॉल इक्वेशंस, फिर उसको सॉल्व करेंगे. राइट. सो हम लोग पहले ऐड कर लेते हैं. ऐड करेंगे तो क्या मिल रहा है? देखो इधर 52x, here also 52y, and here we are getting 208. Okay. So now divide all by 52. सबको 52 से डिवाइड करो. So we'll get x plus y is equals to 4. Let it be equation number 3. Now we will subtract these two equations. अब ये दोनों को subtract कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. 2 minus 1. So ध्यान से देखो. The difference is 6. So 6x हो जाएगा. This is minus 6x and this will be 12. So again you divide all by 6. So what you will get?
X minus
X
1
minus y is equal to 4.
Very good. X minus y is equals to 2. अब ये दोनों इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करना है. So add करो पहले. If you add, you will get what you will get?
2x is equal to 6.
Very good. 2x is equals to 6. So what is the value of x?
Plus
3.
3.
Plus 3, right? Now substitute here. 3 plus y is equals to 4. So what is the value of y?
1.
1. Very good. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D. Right. Very good. Now we are moving toward question number 13. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find the number. So one number is 3 times the other number means one number is the first number is large number and the second number is small number. So let the larger number be x and the smaller number be y. So then we have x minus y. Difference is given 26. That is x minus y 26 and x is equals to 3 times y. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we will substitute here 3y here. Okay, substituting x in equation 1, we get 3y minus y is equals to 26. So this will imply 2y is equals to 26. So what is y?
13.
13. Very good. Now we will substitute 13 here. 3 into 13. तो x कितना मिलेगा?
39.
29.
Right, 39. Otherwise, if you substitute here also, sorry, here y के place में, तो x minus 13 is equals to 20. That is 39. Better to substitute here. Okay, 3 into 13, 39. Anyhow, you will get the same answer. So what is the correct option here?
Option A.
Option A, right. So now we are moving toward 14th question. The solution of x minus 2y is equals to 0 and 3x plus 4y is equals to 20 is. So we'll write the two equations first, equation 1 and 2. Okay, so what we will do, we will multiply with 2 here, so ये 4 हो जाएगा and this will become 2. Then we will add these two. If you add, what you will get? 5x is equals to 20. Okay, first we will multiply with 2, we get this equation. Okay, now we are adding these two, so 4y minus 4y cancel, so we'll get 5x is equals to 20. So what is the value of x? 4. Right, now substitute 4 in any one equation. Y x is equals to 4, यहाँ पे substitute कर लेते हैं. Right, 4 minus 2y is equals to 0. So 4 is equals to 2y. So what is the value of y? 2. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. Okay, so now we are moving toward question number 15. For what values of k is the system of equations kx plus 3y is equals to k minus 2, 12x plus ky is equals to k inconsistent? Okay, so inconsistent means no solution. So the given equations are, so what we will do, we will write in the standard form. Okay, ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. तो ये पूरा यहाँ shift करेंगे हम लोग. We will shift to this side. Similarly, k we will shift to this side. So we will get this equation. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, now we will write a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. So what is a1?
K.
K. B1
3
Plus 3.
plus 3 and C1
minus
minus of
Minus
k
k plus
minus 2. Minus of k minus 2. And A2
Plus
12.
12.
plus 12. Okay, fine. And B2
y
k. And C2
Minus k.
minus k.
minus k. Okay, very good. Now we will write the condition. I told you that we have two options. We can write the ratios, then we can apply write the condition, then we can substitute. But this is MCQ. Better to avoid the long step. So direct condition लिखो और substitute करो. So condition is A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is not equals to C1 upon C2. So now we'll substitute k by 12 and 3 by k and C1 C2 minus of k minus 2 upon minus k. Right? So ये दोनों minus हम लोग cancel कर सकते हैं. Right? So we'll get this one. So I'm taking these two. Right? So what we are going to get, k square is equals to 36. So what is the value of k?
Plus minus.
Plus minus 6.
Plus minus 6. But what we have to do, we have to check by substituting here also. देखो 6 substitute कर रहे हैं तो हम लोग को क्या मिल रहा है? 4 by 6. 4 by 6 is 2 by 3. देखो 6. So actually 1 by 2 आना चाहिए. That means 6 is correct. If I will substitute minus 6, so this will become minus 8 upon minus 6. So यहाँ पे कितना आ रहा है? 4 by 3 and here negative value. That means both values are possible. So whenever you will get two values, please cross check your answer, क्योंकि यहाँ पे minus 6 भी दिया हुआ है, plus 6 भी दिया हुआ है, plus minus भी दिया हुआ है. So now the correct answer confirmed is plus minus 6. So which option is the correct one? Option C.
C.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 16. the graphic representation of the equations x plus 2y is equals to 3 and 2x plus 4y plus 7 is equals to 0 gives a pair of. ओके अब यहाँ पे चेकिंग है, चेकिंग के लिए हम लोग रेशो अलग अलग निकालेंगे, ठीक है, चेकिंग के लिए हम लोग रेशो अलग अलग निकालेंगे. सो यहाँ पे 3 को यहाँ शिफ्ट करो. नाउ वी विल राइट a1 b1 c1. a1 is 1, b1 is 2 and c1 is minus 3. a2 is 2, b2 is 4 and c2 is 7. Right. So now we'll find a1 upon a2, that is 1 by 2, and b1 upon b2. कितना आ रहा है b1 upon b2?
1 by 2.
Right.
1 by
That is
2.
also 1 by 2. That is 2 by 4, 1 by 2. And the last one c1 minus 3 by 7. Right. Very good. So that means a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. So the lines are parallel and there will be no solution. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A.
Option A, right. So now we are moving toward the next question, 17th. The pair of equations 2x plus y is equals to 5, 3x plus 2y is equals to 8 has. Again, we will write a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. But before that, इसको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, माइंड में कैलकुलेट कर लो कि इसको शिफ्ट किए हैं. Now what is a1?
Plus 2.
Plus 2, b1
Plus 1.
plus 1, c1
Minus 5.
minus 5, a2
Plus 3.
b2
Plus 2.
c2
Minus 4.
very good. Okay, so हम लोग लिख लिए. Now we'll find the ratio a1 upon a2 first. What you are getting?
2 by 3.
2 by 3, right. b1 upon b2
1
1
by
by 2.
1 by 2, right. c1 upon c2
5 by 8.
Minus 5 upon
5 by
8.
8.
that is 5 by 8. Okay, no problem. This is equals to 5 by 8, right. So here also if you see carefully, a1 upon a2 it is not equals to b1 upon b2, right. Don't go for the third. When you will get a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, तो इसको थर्ड वाले को निकालने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Okay, so that means a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. So lines are intersecting and we have unique solution, right. So which option is the correct one?
Option
A.
A.
Option A.
Option A, right. So now we are moving toward question number 18. The graphs of the equations 2x plus 3y minus 2 is equals to 0 and x minus 2y minus 8 equals to 0 are two which are dash. Okay, so here also we will write a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, right. So first we will write a1. What is a1?
Plus 2.
2, b1
Plus 3.
c1,
Minus 1.
okay, a2
Plus 1.
very good, b2
Minus 4.
c2
Minus 5.
very good. So we got these values, right. Now we'll find a1 upon a2 first. So what we are getting?
2 upon 1.
Very good, 2 by 1. And b1 upon b2?
3.
3 upon
3
minus
by
2.
minus
3 by
2.
minus 2, right. देखो यहाँ पे दोनों अलग आ गया. So no need to go for the third ratio. Anyhow, what we are getting the third ratio?
1 by 4.
Minus 2
1
upon
by
1.
4.
Very good, 1 by 4. So these two are not equal to each other. So that means again lines are intersecting and it has unique solution, right. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. Now we are moving toward question number 19. Okay, so the graph of the equations 5x minus 15y is equals to 8 and 3x minus 9y is equals to 24 by 5 are two which are dash, right. So again we are going to write a1 b1 c1 here. So what is a1?
Plus
5.
5, b1
Minus
Minus
15.
15.
minus 15, right,
Minus
right.
8.
c1
Minus
Minus
8.
8.
minus 8, right. We have to shift to this side. Abhi a2
Plus 3.
3.
3, very good. b2
Minus 9.
minus 9, c2
Minus
Minus
24 by
24
5.
upon 5.
very good, minus 24 upon 5. चलो पूरा लिख लिया यहाँ पर. अब now we are going to find the ratio. First ratio a1 upon a2. What we are getting?
5 upon 3.
5 upon 3. Very good. And b1 upon b2?
15 upon 9.
15 upon 9. That is also 5 upon 3. Okay. 3 से अगर divide करेंगे तो 5 by 3 आ रहा है. Now the last one c1 upon c2. C1 upon C2 देखो, when we divide -8 by this, so we have to take the reciprocal, right? So this minus minus cancel, and what you are getting if you simplify?
5 by 3.
5 by 3, very good. So that means all the three ratios are equal to each other. So lines are coincident and it has infinitely many solutions. Okay, so which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A, right. So now we are moving toward question number 20. The system kx minus y is equals to 2 and 6x minus 2y is equals to 3 has a unique solution only when. So first we will write this in standard form. 2 को इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे, यहाँ पे 3 को शिफ्ट करेंगे, राइट, ऐसे शिफ्ट कर दिए. नाउ a1 is k, b1 is -1, c1 is -2, a2 is 6, b2 is -2 and c2 is -3. So we'll write everything. Now what is the condition for unique solution?
A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2.
Very good. A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2. So now what is A1 upon A2?
K upon minus
K upon 6. Okay. B1 upon B2?
minus 1 upon minus 2.
Okay. So that will become 1 by 2. Okay. So this minus minus will be cancelled and we are getting K upon 6 is not equals to 1 upon 2. Now if you shift K to this side, 6 to this side, so we will get K is not equals to 3. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D, right. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.